Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the overheating issues on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just open settings, then tap on battery. From here, tap on charging settings. Now, if fast charging is enabled on your Samsung phone, just disable fast charging. After that, just make sure you use Samsung's own 25-watt fast charger with your phone. If you use any other charger or any other fast charger with your Samsung phone, this could cause the overheating issue and it can also harm your phone. So that is why make sure you use Samsung's own charger with your Samsung phone. Now after that, just go back, then tap on background usage limits, then tap on deep sleeping apps, and from here just add the apps which you don't want to run in the background. Especially while gaming, put the apps in the deep sleeping section to prevent your Samsung phone from overheating. Now for that, just tap on the plus icon and select the apps which you don't want to run in the background. Or you can select all and you will add all the apps to the deep sleeping section. Just like that. For the next step, just go back. In the main settings page, just tap on display and tap on motion smoothness. Now if it is on adaptive, just select standard. Then tap on apply. And what this does, it limits the refresh rate at 60 Hz instead of 120 Hz. After that, go back. Now in the main settings page, just tap on location, then tap on location services. From here, if Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning is enabled on your Samsung phone, just disable these toggles and disable both Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Also, while doing that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, just disable all the unnecessary connections on your smartphone. For example, if you are not using Quick Share, just disable Quick Share. And if you are not using Bluetooth, disable Bluetooth. And the same goes with all the unnecessary connections on your Samsung phone. Just like that. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. To fix this issue, just go back. Now in the main settings page, just tap on software update, then tap on download and install. Now from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software on your smartphone and this will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the overheating issue on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.